Hello guys, I'm in Applecross, address wherever I am, I don't even know. And this is a little gallery here, Heathcote Reserve. Look at how pretty these flowers are. I can take you inside the gallery. They got little houses and the river here, I'll show you a bit of that. You can see that in my older videos. They got a creative little floor. The name, Heathcote Precinct Gallery Museum. Do you want to come in? I can take you in. This is my second video here with my new camera. So here it is. These little things come this way. Oh, they got a nice toilet here. I like black and white art, so these two guys are probably watching the river, holding hands. What does it say here? Oh, there's a meeting going on in there. This is very blue. Harvey Mullen. The print artwork of Harvey Mullen is made from impression of television screens. Oh, look at this beautiful lady. Everybody has a story. Let's come this way. They're having some sort of a meeting in there, so I can't go. How beautiful is this? I like this kind of the art. The art. Oh, what is this? Something very abstracty. This place used to be an institution. So, that is the first part of the gallery, guys. I can't take you in there because they got a meeting. Catch you later. Hello, guys. This is the second stop in Applecross. Address, I'm not sure whatever you want to call this part. This is the large pirate playground. My nephew loves it here. I'm allowed a video while the kids are not here. So have a look. Come and bring your kids over here. And yeah, you can start there, go all the way this way, this way, this way, and it will never stop. I am walking at address, I think, where Applecross this is, I'm not sure, maybe the border, and I can see the huge playground behind me. I'm about to go and get a drink, and then I will go take you by the river, because you've already been inside the gallery. Yeah, enjoy this day, this glorious day, and haha, take a look. Thumbs up if you enjoy. Now it's recording here. Hello, this is Bunny and welcome back to Bunny Productive YouTube channel. I'm gonna start this and welcome back to my channel, Bonnie Productive. I'm in Kings Park, Western Australia's attraction, and have a look around. This is some kind of an Anzac thingy. Oh, how beautiful! That's the freeway over there. I have videos of myself bowling, and this one for this week. Yeah, I like watching the cars go by. Cars go by. They've got wildlife flowers here if you want to come and have a look at them. You walk over this side and you will find a lot of wildlife flowers. This is Perth, everybody. The safest city on the planet, apparently, COVID-wise. Look at these palm trees. Oh, lovely sky. There is a group of people doing something up there. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, look at this. Lovely buildings of Perth. Some white flowers. You can see much more colorful ones down that way. I'll show you some flowers over here. These are a bit dry. There's some kids on an excursion over there. I think palm trees. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, these are just random. There's some yellow ones over there. Ba-dum. Here is the Kings Park Cafe over here, and yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video and keep on watching. I will have some more fun outings.